Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a wear test, kind of. I decided to try out the Kiss Lash Glue Eyeliner. I don't typically put on false lashes. One, I have longer eyelashes and so I don't need to put on false lashes, but I think it's fun to put on from time to time. I thought it would be fun to try this out together. I'm also really terrible at putting on false lashes. So I've seen some videos using magnetic liner glue and then a magnetic lash, but I don't know how I feel about an eyeliner with magnetic particles attached to it lining my eyes. It just feels not right. So I've seen other videos with lash glue liner instead, and then you can apply any false lash on top of this. That's what we're gonna do today. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. Like this video, ring that notification bell, and share it with your friends. But let's get into it. So once again, I'm going in with the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. It says matte finish, foolproof, easy touch up. It's in black. I believe they have it in clear, maybe, or like white to clear. That says here for how to use. Apply to clean, dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup. Already failed that part. Starting with one eye, apply glue liner along your natural lash line, just like a regular eyeliner. When using the clear glue liner, apply your regular eyeliner over this product, not under this. Uh-oh. Well, I already have eyeliner on. I know that says for the clear one, but I imagine it's kind of similar for the black one too. All right, well, continue. Before the liner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, immediately apply your Kiss False Lash Strip band along the glue liner line. Pat to set lash strip in place. Repeat on your other eye. Store it vertically, cap side down to prevent drying out. As needed, clean the felt tip with a lint-free cloth and or makeup remover or remove any residue. The glue liner is formulated to last all day, but oily skin might require reapplication during the day. Line your lid generously with as much glue liner as needed to create a sufficient base for the width and length of the lash band you will secure to it. So I've already obviously messed up a whole bunch. What a surprise. I probably should have read it before, but we have this look going on. This look should be up on my channel. It's my 0 to 100 look, and it's a Valentine edition, so I will link it in the cards above and then I'll link it down below. The lashes that I've chosen that I had here are some Ardell Mega Volume lashes, number 251. Do I need them to be this big? Absolutely not. Are they too big? Absolutely. Do I care? Nope. I'm gonna do it anyways. Yep, I'm going to apply the liner and the lashes, and then we're gonna wear them for the day and see how long they last, or as much of the day as I can. I'm even considering wearing them through a workout, but like that's like crazy because I got a lot of makeup going on here. So let's try to apply this on top of the liner that I already have. I'm gonna shake it very well. Did it say to shake? It didn't say, but I'm shaking anyways because it sounds like you're supposed to. Do you hear it? So we'll say that you do. All right. So let's go here. Before I do that, let me make sure they fit my lashes for my eyeball first and I don't have to trim them. See, I am not a professional I'm not a professional eyelash wearer. Oh my gosh. So I'm used to bending them sometimes to kind of help them. Maybe I should have used a not so crazy lash, but you know. Okay, what do I need? Tweezers. I need tweezers. Okay, look, to be on the safe side, I'm going to trim them because I usually have to trim all the lashes I've ever worn. Let's see if we can trim it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna trim off 5 little nubs. I'm just gonna start because I already feel like I'm gonna mess this up, and it's really sad if it does because I'm trying like this 0 to 100 look and I'm finishing it off with lashes and my like OOTD, and this may just like ruin everything. Okay, here we go. Now I'm not gonna go over the wing part. I'm only gonna go like where my lash line is. Oh dear. I feel like it's best to start from the middle, is what I feel like I've seen before. No way. Okay, it's on. Now, did I apply them right? No, I feel like I applied them too far in. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Just a small everyday lash. Okay. All right. Here we go. Next, number 2. Do you see my concentrating face? I mean, I feel like they stick without me even having to like move them around. Kind of. Maybe I spoke too soon. These are a wicked crazy lash. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm also doing a wear test with these, and I don't know how long I could tolerate these on my eyeballs. So that's going to be a problem. It is 3:45 in the PM. We'll see how many hours I can leave these on because, yeah, these are really big. First impression, like super first impression, very sticky. Lash went on very easily. This is the easiest it's ever been for me to apply a lash. So there is that. So we'll see how it looks in a few hours. I will do some check-ins, or I'll try to, and then definitely come in to update you once I finish this whole thing. So there it is. It is 8:45 p.m. and I don't remember what time I put them on. Was it 1:30? If it was at 1:30, I've had them on at least about 7 hours. And if it was a different time, I will post how much time it's been somewhere on the screen. And so I've worn them a little bit outside in the snow and through a 45-minute workout where I did sweat. I did leave my makeup on, and you can see maybe it's a little bit crummy. So I'm about to assess how we're looking here. I need a mirror. Where's my mirror? Okay, so let's see here. I do have a little bit of lifting on this inner corner. Maybe you can see here, lifting right here. But I also did do a full workout, and I also did play a little bit outside in the snow, kind of. Or what, you know, us Texans like to call a snow or a snowstorm. They lasted pretty well, and I still feel like they could hold up a few more hours. So I feel like I could get better at applying the liner glue and putting on the lashes, and maybe they wouldn't lift. But then again, I did put them up to some extreme conditions with my workout and going outside. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this liner. I could see myself using this again. I feel like it's really easy. It's so much easier than regular lash glue adhesive, and so far, I'm a fan. So if I ever have the need to put on false lashes for some crazy special occasion or for my makeup looks, I feel pretty confident in using that gel liner. So total thumbs up. Total thumbs up for me. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, now would be the time to do so. Also, ring that notification bell so you'll be notified weekly of my upload. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Okay. This one, no problem. This one, oh, there it goes. It's like taking off